So you just bought a new car and you're trying to play the radio. Yeah, you can hit the tuner button like this until you find a station that comes in. But wouldn't it be awesome to have like presets all ready to go? Well, there is a button here. As soon as the volume goes off, I'll show you. It says auto store. You can press that auto store button, and if you hold it, it says hold to start auto store to FM2. And I've done that. I don't know what that does, but it doesn't seem to put the presets that I want, the stations I want, into memory. So there's all these newfangled gadgets. You can play music on off of your phone. You can use Apple CarPlay and all this kind of stuff. But here's how you put presets in the phone. So go to FM2, say, let's say you want 89.3 to be preset 1. You tune down to 89.3. So there's 89.3. Nice, relaxing, classical music for your drive. So how do I get that to be on my preset? Well, which preset do you want it to be? You want to be number 1? Press the number 1 button and hold it. Hold to store preset 1. There you go. So now, when you tune up from that channel to something else and you want to go back to your preset 1, just hit preset 1. It's as simple as that. It's not explained anywhere in my manual, but that's how you do presets, and I'm pretty sure that most radios are like that. So dial to the tuner, like here, I'll show you again. So go to a station that you want to save. Let's say 91.3. They're playing some Kate Bush, which is always nice. So you do that. You want that to be your preset number 2, let's say. So hit the number 2 button, hold it. Wait till that happens. Preset number 2 stored. So now I can switch from 1 to 2 to 1 to 2. That's it. That's how you do presets in your car. So good luck. I hope this helped you. Like, share, and subscribe.